Fatima, what you doing? I'm reading about the Allure Box. Oh, okay. Let's take a look. There are some interesting things in here. Okay, we've got the January Allure Box for 2024. Comes with a brochure with a nice, lovely person on the front. Information inside that we've highlighted so we have half a clue of what we're talking about. Let's jump on in. Yes, let's go. The suspense is killing me. From Milk Makeup, we have a setting and a refreshing spray. This is a full-size product. It is $38. I gave it a little spritz. There wasn't much of a scent. I'm not big on setting sprays, yet a nice refreshing spray for when we get the hot summer weather, if it ever comes back. So this might be something interesting to try. And I believe there are some skincare benefits as well to just setting and refreshing. It says skin-loving hyaluronic acid, aloe, and niacinamide. From Ulta MD, we have a sunscreen. It is tinted. It has an SPF of 40. And I'm going to lean us over to the side a little bit so I can pop in a picture. I gave it a try on the back of my hand. It is tinted. If you rub it in more, it eventually blends in somewhat. At the moment, I'm a little on the, as my mother would have put it, chicken flesh looking side. So I think you would definitely need to have a tan, or it's gonna maybe give you an off-putting color. That is what it looks like when it comes directly out of the container. I tried it, and for my needs, although this is designed for the face, I'm probably just going to wind up using it on my feet. It has that silicone-y, heavy feel for me, which will make my skin hard to breathe, and then that aggravates my anxiety and my panic attacks. So this I'm not going to use on my face, but I think I could probably put it to use on my feet. Feet need sunscreen too. Yes, they do. That was $38 for 1.7 ounces. And I also found that for me, I was picking up a bit of a light plasticky scent, which I don't think I want that on my face. So for me, like I said, I'm probably going to wind up using it on my feet. So it will get used, just not how they intended. Next up, from Rock Skincare, we have serum capsules for hydration and fluffing. I've never tried these before, so I'm excited to be able to finally give this a shot. If anyone else has tried it, leave me a comment down below. What do you think? That is a full-size item at 30 capsules for $32.99. And it says that it leaves your skin hydrated, soothed, and dewy. And the complexion feels even softer and smoother after use. We are halfway through the box. What was your favorite item? Let me know. I am a nosy camel. Inquiring camels want to know. I think my favorite item is the serum from Rock. Excited to get to put these into my lineup so they will get used. And now, moving right along with this video, Dermalect gives us a base coat product for your nails. Now, I won't use this because I do my own nails with a gel polish, yet intriguing to see a nail product. I don't recall getting one before or the last time we did get a nail polish product. So interesting to see in the Allure box. Dermalect Trans Fix. And it says that obviously it's full size, $18, and it helps prevent new damage so your nails can grow stronger, and it hides yellowness and ridges, and that you could use it as a polish. I guess there's enough tint in it as a nice skin tone tint. I will say the packaging for that little product was this great big box. I think they could have done a little bit better on picking maybe a smaller box. From L'Occitane, we have a sample size of face cream. I like this product. I'm looking at it in the ring light. It's filled to sort of here, except it slopes downwards. So we have maybe about, I'm guessing, this much in this tube. So not a lot, yet enough to give it a try and see if you would like it. I've used a lot of their products before. Many of them have a nice sort of lemon verbena type scent to it. So I like that lemony verbena scent. What else can we tell you besides the fact that obviously this is a sample? It says it moisturizes without being heavy on your skin, and it is $115 for the full size, which would be 1.7 ounces. The sample that we got is 0.4 ounces. And on the back of the brochure, they give a better picture. This is from Egyptian Magic. It is an all-purpose cream. And I've taken the top off so you can see it looks more like it's a balm versus a light fluffy cream, but it does look nice. It doesn't seem to have much of a scent, which my allergies will appreciate that. That is a sample size. Full size is 4 ounces and is $39. It is a combination of honey, beeswax, and olive oil. And it says it is a nice alternative to glittery highlighters. And this time around, we got a bonus item. That's always nice. It is a hair mask. Again? You got so many hair masks from them this past fall, you don't have enough hair to use it all. We did get a lot of them. This one is from EVA NYC. It is sample size, and it says it's a therapy session hair mask powered by argan oil and plant protein, and full size would be $16 for 500 milliliters. And it's supposed to have a delicious and sweetly warm scent to it. So I'm bogged down in hair masks, so I'm guessing that one's probably going to find its way into the future home box. My favorite items from the second half of the box would be the 2 sample sizes of the L'Occitane cream and the Egyptian cream. I'm curious to try this Egyptian Magic cream, and like I said, I've used L'Occitane before and have been pleased with their creams. What did you like? Leave us a comment down below. And a quick run through the nitty-gritty, because she likes to do that. This box is $25 a month. I have a code down in my description box. It will save you $10. And for this box, you normally get 6 items, 3 sample size, 3 full size. This time we've got a bonus item, and that does happen sometimes. Shipping is free. So, thank you for taking the time to watch our video. comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, share, all that good stuff. And we hope to see you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.